Hindi, mali pala to. Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we are going to do, as you can see, brick break of Smash and Destroy. And by the way, yung booster parang na-destroy talaga. Oh. Ito nyo, nakaangat yung isa. But anyway, so as always, we have here our participants for the brick break. Let me show the screen. We have Angel Ward, number 1, 6, and 7. Okay. He's also present this evening. Angelo. Okay. Pete is number 2, 4, and 8. He's not here yet. Larry is here. Larry, you're number 3 and 11. So, nag-ano siya. Bumawi si Larry, di siya nakasama last time eh. And then we have Chito, number 5, Jasper at 9, Leodge at 10, and of course, Heinz wrapping it up at number 12. Okay? So, as always, back of the brick, 1 to 6, front of the brick, 7 to 12. Si Conrad ang representative ni Leodge, si Sandy ay representative ng sarili niya. Ng sarili. Okay.
Alam mo na, lang
We
niya kasi
have
sinali mo to.
we have
Sabihin mo, kaya
Bounty
nandito kasi
figures as nominated
silver.
by Pete. Okay.
Uy,
So Harpy is Bounty A, which is the Spider-Man set. Good luck sa atin lahat, sabi ni Angelo. Good luck, good luck. I hope we get a double chase break. Okay, so this is the Harpy. Sa yung Spider-Man kasama yung legacy figure, not just the legacy card. Okay. Constrictor, this is Bounty B. Ito yung di nakuha from last time. This is the Shield. Shield Bounty. Chito ha, wag mo kalimutan. Ay, mukhang naka-first dib si Conrad ha. Bounty C is Tooth Gnasher, the brown goat. Kaya meron ding bounty na brown bear, grizzly, and this is the Sinister Syndicate bounty. Okay, si Norman Osborn with the Goblin Army and Lizard and Grizzly. And of course, we also have our Yak Grizzly. And of course, we have another set of bounty comics. Wave, whoever gets Wave will get the Venomverse, and Bulldozer will get the Iron Man comics. Okay, so we're ready. And again, good luck to everyone. Let me share the other screen. And of course, at the end of the brick break, we're going to, what you call this? We're going to raffle the legacy figure, a legacy card, not the figure. Okay, let me share the screen. And how many times do we randomize it? Roll dice. 7. A very common result. These are the list. Let's randomize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Please take note of your positions, and I will also update our PowerPoint. Okay, so number 1 is Leodge, represented by Conrad, Angel Ward, Larry, Jasper, Pete, Angel Ward, Chito, Pete, Heinz, Larry, Pete. Okay, so three Pete si Pete. So anyway, this point in time, I'll stop sharing. Okay, good luck. Three Pete, ayos no? Number 1 si Joel. Let's see. I will spotlight for everyone. So you should see the big booster. Okay, that is in the video. Okay, let's unbox it. Oh, legacy card. Sana, ano tayo, green scar naman. Okay, put it on the side for now.
Legacy card, Jaggy.
Charlie. Okay, let's see. Booster number 1 is Joel Leon. Okay. So, papanoorin na lang tayo sa YouTube.
Go, Joel.
For
Go,
all,
Joel. Go, Joel. Go.
thank you for always liking and commenting on the video. Okay, good luck. Uh-huh. Meron pa pala
Grabe, kahit ginambol mo, 311 pa rin ako. Galing ah.
311 ka pa rin.
Oo,
Ano
nung
yan?
unang in-start mo, 311 ako. Nung ginambol mo, 311 pa rin.
Meant to be,
Swerte sa
meant to be.
swerte.
Meant to be,
Yan,
meant
yan.
to be.
Ah,
Si
meant to
Joel.
be.
Si
Okay.
Joel na yan.
Joel. Uy,
Joel. Uy, naku.
uy,
Uy.
debris.
Uy,
Hi,
pwede na yan, pwede
Conrad.
na yan. Pwede na yan. Oy, buti okay ka, pre.
Excavator.
Uy. Uy, ang
Zaz.
ganda. Not bad. Not, not good din.
Speedball and Hulk. Hulk na
Aw,
naman.
balik na naman
Ito.
kay Joel yung bato.
Walang bato, walang bato.
Ay, lagyan natin para sumayo
Lagyan
yung...
natin, lagyan natin. Walang
Lagyan
bato.
natin, kahit pebbles lang.
Okay, this is for Joel, number 1.
Ayan. Okay na, kontento na ako dyan. Joel, pwede na yan, pre.
Number 2 is Angel Ward, 1 of 3.
Nako, maganda.
Okay.
Maganda
Angel,
pakiramdam ko
si
dyan.
Angel ang big winner natin last time. Let's see if the streak continues.
Uy,
Oh,
nako. Sana. Uy, ang ganda.
Healing,
Pwede na yan. Pwede na yan.
Arcade.
Bawiin.
Uy,
Uy,
Rhino.
bawim-bawi.
Rhino.
Bawim-bawi. O, dyan pa lang. Oh.
Aso.
Uy, pwede na yan. Pwede na yan.
Uy,
Uy, uy.
equipment. Wrecking
Uy.
ball. I came
Wow.
a wrecking ball.
Sige, kanta.
So, ano to? Hindi kasama sa bounty kasi dapat ang bounty natin ay figure. Okay? So, pero it's a, I think, super rare equipment, wrecking ball. Okay? So that's for Angelo. That's a nice pull actually. Mhm. One of the, I think, ilan ba equipment dito? Wrecking ball, destroyer, dalawa lang ata. Okay. So, teka lang. Ano nangyari sa ano ko? Computer ko. Nagpa-prompt siya. Not now. Okay, this is Angel 1. Okay.
Angel Ward na Angel.
Larry, this is you. Minsan ka lang nandito.
Good luck.
Oy, akin yan, akin
Right.
yan.
Okay. First, 1 of 2, Larry.
Ako, Larry. Ganda niya. Paan.
Oh, nakita ko na.
Ayan, yan. Oh, nakita ko rin. Nakita ko yun.
Nakita ko.
Congrats, Larry. Ngayon pa lang.
Larry
Congrats, Larry.
Bulldozer. Bulldozer.
Yes.
That's one of the bounty, the comics bounty. We have Los Diablos.
Parang demonyo yun.
Okay. Tapos you have Wrecking Crew.
Uy,
Patrol. Captain
uy,
America.
uy, gusto ko yan, gusto ko yan. Steve
And
Rogers,
sino to?
Green Lantern.
Valkyrior.
Uy, gusto ko yan.
Rare Bulldozer. This is the, again, our
Hindi mo
bounty.
pinatandaan. Nandiyan pa din.
This is
Oh,
Larry 1.
si Larry yun.
Larry 1. Lagyan ko ng asterisk. Kasi ano yan eh. May bounty. Number 4 is Jasper. Yee.
Sige nga.
Juggernaut,
At least,
Juggernaut.
at least hindi ka number 12, Jazz. Di
Juggernaut,
tulad last time.
Juggernaut.
Sana wala nang wave. Pag
Wala
yan
na.
wave pa rin, benta mo na sa akin na 100.
Oy, na-trade na ka na kay ano, kay, ito, kay
Kay
Sandy.
Sandy. Hello, si Sandy.
Oh,
Nautubo
Scarlet
na
Witch
naman.
ka naman.
Uy,
Scarlet,
galing.
parang gutong-guto yung
Ganda.
game booster ko ah.
Demolin mo Doctor Strange. Ay, hindi. Sayang.
Rare, ano to?
Ward. Wave.
Rare
Wave.
Arcade,
Shit.
Raven,
Wow.
Damage Control, and Arcade. Dalawang arcade.
Diyos ko. Ano ba yun?
Ano
Hindi
ba yun?
hindi na kontento sa isang arcade. Dinagdag.
Ang ganda rin.
Ang ganda rin. Wala man lang trade.
Parang number 12 ka pa rin, Jazz.
Ay, hindi natin na-check kung may one shot sa pipicturean ko na lang guys. Kasi,
Lagyan mo ng kahit power gem para may one shot.
number
yung-
5 is Pete. Okay, Pete, are you here?
Wala.
Wala na, kinuha ni
Out.
one shot.
Si Pete, wala man lang. Okay, Pete.
Wala. Uy, si Pete. Ako,
Oy.
Diyos ko, si Pete yan, pre.
Oy,
Delikado
wait.
yan. Uy, dyan pala. Ayun, pwede na yan.
Wait,
Kailangan ko yan. Kailangan ko yan.
Scarlet,
Hmm.
Damage Control,
Uy.
another Bellinger, and
Uy.
Absorbing Man. Wala
One
pa.
shot.
Wala
One
pa rin
shot.
one
Power
shot.
gem.
Wala pa rin one shot. Ang buong nasa harap lahat ah.
Feeling ko walang SR yan.
Pete 1. Talagang na-destroy tayo niyan pag walang SR. Number 6 is Angel Ward. Oh, last
Ayan,
last
yan, yan.
last na
Ganda
ba?
na pakiramdam
Oh,
ko
mukhang
dyan.
maganda to ah. Last
Pwede
na ba?
mag-solo.
Last na ba?
Dito na lang siya.
Let's
Ganda
see.
yan, ganda yan.
Wala din bigat ah. Puro walang bigat lahat ah.
Pag yan wala pa, papuputol ko.
Hmm. Wala
Si
pang hit ah.
Astor naman.
Ay,
Nice,
Titania.
Oh,
Titania
maganda yan, maganda.
star.
Pwede yan, pwede yan.
Okay,
Doble na
maganda
yan eh.
yan.
Doble na
Ayaw
yan.
mo doon? Malapit.
Ant-Man,
Uy.
Quicksilver,
Wow.
Malapit.
Black Ant, and Hulk.
Yun. Walang bato eh.
Ito ng ano natin ah. Ay, di wala tayong Wrecking Ball last time. Titania
Wow.
SR, first hit kay Angel.
Ward.
The streak continues.
Yeah.
Angel 2.
Galing.
Kasi malapit pa ako.
Galing niya. Maswerte si Angel eh.
Angel Ward, number 3. We're now moving on the front of the booster.
Sa
Number
pitana
3,
tayo.
Ward. 3 of 3.
Ano?
Angel Ward ulit.
Angel Ward, last on Angel Ward.
Ako.
Oh, nakita ko. Mukhang Chase ah. Mukhang
Chase
Chase.
na naman. Go, go.
Chase.
Hoy.
You got the
Chase
Chase, Angel Ward.
Sino yan? Sino yan?
Chase Freya.
Chase Freya. Not bad.
Yes. Congratulations again with your streak.
Galing.
Streak is alive. Okay, congrats. Zask.
Galing, galing. May Zask pa oh.
Ito, Diesel,
Uy, meron pang ano. Bato.
Damage Control, and Hawkeye. Wala pa rin ano, one shots.
Sabi ko kasi, lagyan mo kahit power gem para
Okay,
meron.
lagyan natin ng I must have it.
Mas masama.
Angel Ward,
Ba't
congratulations. You have
Congrats, Fred.
the Chase.
Anong chase yun?
Freya. Maganda yun, maganda yun.
Oo, maganda yun.
Chito, you're next.
Oy, ako yan. Ako rin yan.
Ikaw din to? Ba?
Oo, halo. Alam mo naman, friends kami.
Let's see.
Tagal na.
Oh, ako ko yung Goliath.
Parang hindi na.
Hop. Uy.
Parang gumaganda eh. Parang gumaganda yung friends.
Gumaganda.
Parang nagiging closer kami ngayon.
Malaki yung ano Skull.
Oo, malaki yung hinaharap.
Oh,
Ako, sumama na naman. Sumama na naman yung friendship.
Naging aso.
Pasama na.
Naging leon.
Wala na. Nagbalikan na ng kandila.
Goliath rare. Okay, so wala pa ring terrain, tsaka one shots. Ano ba?
Minsan ba wala yata, di ba?
Ewan ko, dapat meron eh. Dito. Hindi, minsan talaga wala kasi depende naman talaga collision. Number 9, Pit, 2 out of 3. Parang may ano
Ayan,
to.
yan.
Parang may wave.
Malay mo, prime. Baka
Parang may
prime
wave.
yan. May wave na siya kanina.
Hoy! Sayang. Super rare pero di bounty.
Nag-reserve daw daw.
Uy, galing.
Hero. Waifu.
Parang yung kay Neil dati.
Si Waifu. Arrow.
Maganda yan.
Valkyrior.
Uy,
Toad.
pwede.
Captain
Uy,
America.
Cap.
And
Ganda
Hulk
yan.
na walang bato. Oy, ito na yung terrain. Ito na yung
Ayan. Ay, tubig.
Piranha Tank.
Uy, ganda yan.
Maganda to, maganda
May
tong
poison,
Piranha
may
Tank.
poison yan, may poison.
May ano yan. May isda yan, may isda. It is Pit 2. Pit 2.
P2.
Heinz, you're next. Number 10. Wherever you are. Wala pa tayong Prime, tsaka pangatlong SR.
Ayan na. Prime na yan. Si Heinz laging swerte.
Uy! Ay, Cinder!
Ganda.
Cinder.
Tinitrade ba yan? Binibenta o what?
Ay, ewan ko kay Heinz. Kala mo ba niya? Meron ako niyang parating. Raven, Diesel, Toad, and Absorbing Man Orange.
Holy, sabi nga ni
Second terrain, Fire Hydrant. Walang one shots hindi lumalabas.
Para sa aso yung fire hydrant na yun.
Parang di lumalabas yung one shots Heinz.
Baka wala.
Larry.
Uy, si Lar.
Okay, chance for Prime.
Prime yan, Prime.
Prime or a possible fourth SR o kaya as Absorbing Man na Chase.
Sino ba? Sino huli?
Kanina yan.
Sa'yo. Okay, let's see.
Okay, go.
Oh,
Uy,
hazmat.
ano yun? Uy, oo nga.
Uy,
Yun.
destroyer equipment.
Uy,
Destroyer
rare.
prime equipment. Very good. Ah, yun na
Anong
yung one shot. May one shot ka.
destroyer rare yan? Destroyer rare, no?
Speedball, Absorbing Man, and Primus. You have your one shot.
Ano yung SR?
Hindi,
Hindi
rare,
extra.
rare equipment. Maganda yan, men. Equipment.
Oo, ano yan?
Meta yan.
May
Destroyer?
setup.
Destroyer equipment. Okay.
Rare lang. Well,
And then
akin yung prime.
you have two one shots, Larry. Heimdall Sight, tsaka Insurance Policy.
Two sets yan. Kung dalawa.
Nice.
Dalawang one
Nice
shots.
lang. Pareho na tayo ng
Yan.
destroyer lahat.
Ganda yung
Nice.
dalawang one shot, actually. Mahirap makuha yung one shot dito, actually.
Oo. Diba? Not bad.
Not bad.
Thank you.
And then,
Maganda yan.
last one is Pete.
Uy, nako, swerte naman yan.
Pwede pang
Priming
prime.
prime.
Pwede pang prime or isa pang SR. Let's see.
Wala pang prime, di ba?
Wala pang prime eh.
O, di prime na yan.
Baka Destroyer Prime to.
Pwede ring rare.
Yun nga, yun ang rare prime eh. Ay, andi, Taskmaster.
Yun ang rare. Ay, yung B, letter B.
Letter, ano ba
C.
to?
Baka if. Maganda yung C.
Letter C.
May shield
Letter
eh.
C.
May shield
Letter
yan
C, may shield. Letter C.
Oo.
Ito
Letter
yung
C
maganda.
yan.
Ito yung maganda.
Oo. Yan yung
Hawkeye.
gusto ni Pete. Gusto ni Pete yun.
Uy. Ay, Chase. Ay, hindi. Alam ko Chase eh.
Muntik na ako himatayin.
Na kayo matayin sa'yo eh.
So,
Tori, Arcade, and Rune. And you have
gusto naman
a
ni Pete yan eh. Gusto ni Pete yan.
terrain dumpster fire.
Tsaka ayan o. Di ba?
Yung dumpster fire yung boost, yung brick natin ha. Walang prime ha.
Walang prime.
Ano ba
Tignan
yan?
mo ba kami pang 13?
Wala
P3.
eh. P3.
Uy.
Okay. So ang nakakuha lang ng bounty ay si Larry with the
Eh,
Iron
Anong
Man.
chase? Anong chase?
Freya. Freya.
Okay.
Okay.
nakuha
Ang
ni
hirap,
Angelo.
ang hirap talaga makuha yung mga goat. Yung mga goat dito. Ang hirap.
Kala.
Okay. So let's go now with the legacy card. Tingnan natin how many rolls.
Roll again.
Oh,
Roll again.
11.
Hirap
11.
mo.
Grabe.
Sana si Chito manalo.
This should be 18 times. Okay, 1,
Sweet.
2, 3, 4,
Chito.
5. Ako si
Chito.
Pete, pumasok na si Pete bigla. 5,
Eh. Ka.
6,
Huli na ba?
7,
Oh,
8.
ano na to, Pete eh? Tagal
Legacy
mo
na to, Pete. Legacy na. Pero you got, ano ko ni Pete? Mamaya.
SR.
Picturean ko.
Sige,
I
sige.
think may SR. Oo.
Okay.
Yung gusto mong R.
Ay, yung ano, si Taskmaster
Gusto mo
C.
yun, diba?
Taskmaster
Letter
C.
Oo.
Okay.
Okay. So, number 18 tayo, guys. Kung sino yung next, siya ang makakuha ng bounty.
Ichito mo.
Is
Ichito mo.
Chito!
Uy, ayos Chito, my friend.
Chito!
Grabe naman. Ako na naman runner-up. Diyos ko.
Chito!
Okay, Chito, tandaan mo, kaibigan
Tingnan
kita
natin.
tagal na.
Nga ba yan?
Unless leader yan, nako, magbabalikan tayo ng kandila.
Sino yun? Kita nyo ba?
Juggernaut? Juggernaut?
Hindi, yung ano, Green Scar mo, putang.
Druid.
Kaya lang.
Parang
Natin.
awa mo na, Pete.
Pintahan natin.
Oy, Green Scar.
Oy, once.
Dice allergy? Dice
Dice
allergy.
allergy. Sino yung dice
Ano
allergy?
dice allergy?
Putek, baka nga yung sinabi ni Pete.
Druid.
Punyet.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Okay.
Spider-Man.
Okay.
Wow. Pero
Okay.
sige, Chito.
It's fine.
Okay. It's
Friends,
fine.
friends naman tayo.
Okay.
You have mail. May mail ka na, pare. Mail. Lalaki.
Okay.
Sino yung mumurahin ko para nakakuha ng chase?
Si Angelo.
Si Angelo.
nakakuha ng chase.
Purahe mo to death.
Oh,
Okay,
backseat
si
ka, Angelo.
nakakuha ng Freya.
Wag, ang bait niyan.
Okay.
Freya naman, Pete. Hindi mo gusto si Freya.
So,
Malamig
again,
yun.
Okay, good. Sa'yo na yun, thank you.
okay, so,
Sabi ko
thank you
na.
very much, everyone. If you
Uy,
want to...
ano rin nakuha ni
if
Pete?
you want-
Ano rin nakuha ni
Ay,
Pete?
ano nakuha ni Pete? Tingnan natin. Pete, 1, 2, 3. Number, boost, teka lang, ano natin? Teka lang, Pete.
Iyak na ba ako?
Hindi
Iyak na
naman,
yata ako eh.
sakto lang. Nakakuha kang terrain
Light.
naman.
May
Wave?
terrain ka.
Nakakuha ka ng
Yeah,
wave.
wave.
Okay.
Okay. And then, yung
Gusto
isa
ko
mo
yan.
ay arrow.
Yun.
Ay my God,
Arrow with terrain.
Paano
Okay.
pag-usapan natin, Pete? Tsaka
And then
may
Diyos
Hulk yan,
ko.
walang bato.
And then the next one is
Yung
terrain
Yan.
Taskmaster
with
C.
Yan.
Taskmaster
Taskmaster
C.
C.
Taskmaster C.
Okay.
Not bad, not bad.
Okay. Ano yung dalawang SR? Ano yung dalawang SR?
Cinder and sino isa? Titania.
Okay. Okay lang.
Wala tayong
Sige.
wala tayong prime. Oo.
Yeah. Okay. Sige.
Okay. Thank you very much, everyone. Good night.
Thank you,
Thank
guys.
And message me, guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Sige.
Bye.